the law of independent assortment of genes is violated in many instances due to option A linkage, option B incomplete dominance, option C the presence of multiple alleles, or option D imprinting. So the correct answer would be option A. Linkage occurs when genes are located close to each other on the same chromosome, causing them to inherit it together rather than assorting independently. This phenomena disrupts the typical 9 ratio, 3 ratio, 3 ratio, 1 ratio expected in Mendelian inheritance for two traits, as linked genes do not assort independently during meiosis.